Hi, I'm Mandy.
Oh my god, I feel so crazy.
And I am on a 15-day wet and snowy cruise.
I almost never let my room steward in because I don't want anyone to have to clean up my mess, and my mess is embarrassing. But today, I am going to let the room steward in. It has been a full 48 hours, but I want to make it as easy as possible for him, so I am going to pre-clean my cabin. Before I do anything, I'm going to walk through the cabin and just make a mental note of what needs to be done. I have my lunch still sitting here. I just finished eating. I have my computer on the bed, my pajamas on the bed. On the counter, there is some paperwork that probably needs to go in the garbage. My airbrush makeup set is sitting out on the desk.
The bathroom is last. I'm really proud of the bathroom. It looks really great. It just needs some clean linen. And now I can start tidying the cabin.
My cabin is on the 5th floor, but lunch is up on the 12th floor. So I am going to walk my plate, my food, up 7 flights of stairs so that my room attendant does not have to do that. There's a washcloth drying here that they can take, so I'll put that on the floor. There's a washcloth here that was drying. They can take this, so I'm going to put that on the floor. And this hand towel is 4 days old, so I'll let them take this. So I'm going to put it on the floor. If it's dirty towels and you want them to replace it, you just drop it on the floor and they'll grab them and take them and replace them with clean towels. Anything that is not on the floor, they're going to leave to conserve water and all of that really good stuff. I have laundry hanging in the shower. It's still a little bit wet, so I'm going to leave that. But I want to make sure that my products are all standing upright, again, so that they don't have to do that for me. I think I've done a full reset, but I'm going to take a very quick walk around and just make sure that the cabin looks the way it did when I first unpacked. I think it's good. Marvin, I'm ready anytime you are. No rush. I'm just gonna take a little walk while my room is being taken care of. Okay, let's see the difference. That looks the same. That looks the same. Good, I wanted to keep my bath towel, so that's still here. The main differences I see, I have fresh, clean linens. The bathroom trash has been emptied. The trash under the desk has been emptied. My bed has been made. And it looks like most of the surfaces have been wiped down. So I think I did a good job. I'm giving myself an A++. An A++. Mission lets the room attendant in without being embarrassed. A huge success.